how to sell subscriptions with Square POS. You want to load up the application, and once you open up the app, click on More in the bottom right corner. Now from here, we have to select Settings, and then from the settings, we want to scroll down until we see Add-ons. Right here, we will click on the plus sign, and then you want to scroll down until you see Subscriptions. So here, we're going to click on Subscriptions and then select Add for Free. Now that we have it open, we can open this in Subscriptions and you can set plans and the different tiers. So let's create a plan. So right here, it's going to open up the website. It's going to ask you to sign in and you can create the specific plan. Now what we can do, okay, so here, now that we have this set up, we can go and create a subscription. So you have plans and you have subscriptions, and you will need to create them on the website itself. And once you create them, they will roll over to the Square POS app. So I hope this video helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.